two events have come and gone in the last Memorial Standings, and now we go sky high for the third event of the season, the skydiving. Skydiving is back, and this time it's an individual event. Most times this skydiving, it's mostly a team event, but this time we're taking it to the sky to see who has the best accuracy, who has the best momentum, and who has the best gravitational force. Bubble Bashers will lead the way after two events in front of the honeybees and the burning flares. Lavenders in fourth in front of Tide Pools and the Caffeines. Herbs and Dewdrops are in eighth. Red Peppers 3 and Sours in ninth and 10th. Blazers 11th, Green Mellows 12th, Coral is 13th, Shamrock is 14th, Red Peppers 15th. Our host in dead last. Since this is an individual event, this will be going in a, I guess, reverse championship order, I think. Which means that if this is going in reverse championship order, we should be starting off with the host. So, do you hear in the blocks? Cloud will start things off with Summer Skies. You have to get the furthest distance. Not bad. Let's see if that will continue or not. Now, Oyster will start. The Shamrockers. And Shamrockers! Going further than Summer Skies. They would definitely take the lead. Now, here comes the captain. Coffee from the Caffeines. And that went nowhere. The Caffeines will slot into last place right now. It's now Queen from the Honeybees. Second place right now. And that was not a great entry. I believe we'll still beat the Caffeines, but that will not be challenging for the lead. Now we got Cut from Green Mowers. Oh, Green Mowers. Yeah, I think that was good. Now, we got Cole, the captain of Coral Reefs. They will start now. And what is going on with these teams? No one's challenging the Shamrockers on top. That's not good. Burnt has to do something here. And Burnt! That is almost a max distance you can get on this skydiving event. They are really showing up this event. And they got Blazers, the reserve Blazers. I mean, it's going to be up there. I believe this will be Summer Skies, so they will slot to third place by now. Now, we got Water from Earths. This is our second half. And Earths will also go up there. Now we'll take the silver position right now. Sorry about that. Now we got Golby from Doom Drones. And Doom Drones will be leaving the event early today. Fortunately. Now, Breakwall from Tide Pools, who were in the Gravity Track 1 and 9. That was a great distance They're sliding to third place for breakaway. I was about to say they were in the gravy track 1. They're not doing too bad right now. It's now Spicy from Red Peppers. Nothing. Nothing to show. How sad. Maybe Lime from Sweet and Sours. Maybe Lime could show us how it's done. And I spoke. That will not take P1, but that is certainly P2 right now. But now, Powder, the Captain Red Powders, they need to do something. And that was a good result. I believe that will be good enough for around 5th place. Good for them. But now, Smell from the Lavenders, who've been on a good streak recently, and they will keep it up. That would not be good. That'll be 6th place, I'm pretty sure. And now, Bubba from Bubble Bash, the last one. Who will get the gold? And it's the Burning Flares. Bubble Bashers will be up there as well. But the Burning Flares have won the gold. Sweet Souls will get silver. And Earths with the bronze. There is the overall standing. What a great event this was. Some of us guys are getting used to this good stuff now. Doing drones, not the opposite of that. Goldways and Green Melrose will suffer another bottom finish. So will the Red Peppers. Honeybees down there in 11s. Not what they want to be. And Blazers get another 9th. Is it Devil steady? Then no it is. Again, this is still anyone's game. So those leaders up at the top, they want to do something. They need to start getting medals if they want to keep their lead. But hopefully someone at the bottom can start challenging very soon. As we head to the next event of Funnel Endurance, we'll see you then.